Hi guys, today we are going to be discussing Python dictionaries. A dictionary consists of a collection of key value pairs. Each key value pair maps the key to its associated value. They are ordered as of Python 3.7. They are changeable, meaning you can update and change the values, and they do not allow duplicates in the key. Now I'm going to make a simple dictionary to store the ages of people. Okay, so there's a simple dictionary. Okay, so you can see it displays each of the items in the dictionary. You can also use a for loop to display the dictionary. There you will notice it only displays the keys. It doesn't display the key and the value. To display both the key and the value, you must use the items method with a for loop. Okay, so now you can see it prints out the key and the value for each item in the dictionary. So let me show you how you print out just one item in a dictionary. You'll use the square brackets with the keys. Let's print out Anna. I also need the dictionary name in there. Okay, so dictionary and the key, and that should display just Anna's age, which is 21. It only displays the value. Okay. To add a value, simply create a new key in square brackets and assign a value to it. If it exists, then it will overwrite it. The same would apply if you want to change a value or update a value. You would just overwrite the existing value that is there. So first I'm going to create a new entry, call it Bob, and because it does not exist, it's going to create it. Let's make Bob very old, and let's print to show that it has been added. So now you should see Bob has been added. Okay, and then if I want to do an update, let's change Anna's age to 18. And let's print it out again, and you'll see that Anna's value has changed. Okay, so Anna was 21, it's now 18. To delete a value from a dictionary, you use the del function with the dictionary and the key in square brackets. Let's delete Brad and print dictionary. Okay, so you can see now Brad has been removed. To clear a dictionary completely, you simply just recreate it or redefine it, and that will clear out the dictionary. Okay, so now you have an empty dictionary. Now let's look at a dictionary within a dictionary. You can create another dictionary as the value content of the first one. Okay, so let's print that out. Okay, now you can see there is a dictionary within a dictionary. Okay, so now to access an actual value inside the inner dictionary, you would do it like this. So let's say we want to display Anna's hair color. So the first key would be Anna, and the second key would be hair color. Okay, Right, so that then would get out the hair color item within the second or the nested dictionary. Now let's look at a list with dictionary items in the list. Let's make a simple car list. Okay, let's print that list. Okay, so you can see it's got a list with dictionary items within the list, and you can see one of the dictionary items or keys has a list as a value. Okay, now I will make a function that will add items to that list that you can call and pass the values. Okay, so this makes an empty dictionary first. You can see there. Then it populates each of the items that I want to populate with the items passed in. And then it takes the dictionary and it appends it to the list. Okay, so now we're going to call the function and we're going to send it some values. Okay, let's print it out so we can see the changes made. Okay, right, so now you see there it's added on the Toyota car details. Okay. Okay, so there are various ways to now print out that list with the dictionaries in it. Let me show you a few. Okay, so that'll display each directory on its own line. And then if you want to access all the items in the directory individually, you would do it using a for list, but with the items. So we've got to go through each item, and then because each item is a dictionary, we can extract the key and the value pair using items method. Okay, and then we can print it out in a nicely formatted string. Okay, and then let's put a separator line in there so it looks defined nicely. Multiply it by 50. And when you multiply a string by 50, it prints that string character out 50 times. Okay, so let's just show you that. Okay, right. So now you can see there it displays each dictionary, and now we're displaying each item within the dictionary. Right, guys, that's pretty much all about dictionaries. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a great day. Cheers.